friends, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be reshaping my nails into this beautiful almond shape, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to set my e-file to 16 RPMs, and I'll be using my 5-in-1 rainbow bit that I got off of Amazon. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description down below. As you guys can see, this bit is amazing. I feel like when it comes to different types of bits, there can be so many pros and cons, but my honest opinion, guys, I feel like it has more to do with the RPMs that you guys are using and the positioning of your hands. Now I'm going to get into details with that in a minute. If you're interested, stay watching this video so that you guys can get a better understanding when it comes to that. I just wanted to point out here really quick that, as you guys notice, I am removing the white part of my nail because I did an extended nail bed. It was easier for me to shape my nail into the almond. Now, don't get discouraged. If you guys are working on a regular set of nails that you don't have any type of guideline, you can just go ahead with a marker and mark it so that you guys can get a nice and even shape on each nail. So, and then that will help you practice as well. Now, once you get used to it, you won't need any guideline. Me, it just so happened that I had this this set of nails with an extended nail bed, so I just took advantage and brought them down to an almond shape. So again, with the positioning of the hands that I was talking about earlier, I just wanted to let you guys know that, as you guys can see me working right here, I'm working on the inside right now of my hand, right? From underneath, I'm pulling it down, so you guys can see. But you want to really pay attention to the positioning of my hands. Now, I'm working on the outside of my hand right now. You see it's pointing up. This will give you such a smoother filing because you're not going against that grain of your bit. Now, I'm working on the inside of my hand right now. You see it's facing down. Now, I didn't use left or right to explain this because it can be confusing because of the positioning of the camera and where I'm sitting at and all that stuff. I didn't want to confuse anybody. But again, if you look and pay attention, you guys can reverse the video or you can forward it and just notice how in the inside I'm constantly using my bit in a position where it's facing down in the inside of my hand, and then the outside, the upright. So upright, I mean like that point is facing up, and then if I'm coming from underneath, I'm trying to use it at a 0-degree angle. So I'm going to do these other two fingers so you guys can see and pay attention if you guys want to understand what I just explained. So again, you see the end of my bit right now is facing up, right? Because I'm on the outside. I'm on the inside, I'm facing it down. If I'm underneath, I'm using it at a 0-degree. So this kind of helps you get that smooth filing. You guys can see pointing down from the inside. Outside, I'm pointing up. And then that's pretty much what I'm doing for all of my nails. If I'm underneath the nail to pull from underneath up, I'm just using a 0-degree angle. Do not go against the grain of your bit because it will kick back and it will hurt. You will feel a lot of vibration. So I hope this really helped you guys understand that. Just again, if you didn't really understand, please just rewind it, watch it again. I'm pretty sure once you guys get a better understanding, this will help you so much. And then don't worry about getting that perfect shape with your e-file. I think that's pretty complicated, even as for me as an experienced nail tech. Always go ahead in with a hand file and perfect your shape. I feel like that's the best thing you guys can do. So as you guys can see, I'm using a 100 grit file. I'm just cleaning and smoothing underneath and cleaning up around my sidewalls just to perfect this shape. Because I did reshape my nails with an e-file, you want to go ahead and smooth that out. Now I am due for a refill. As you guys can see, this is my natural nail coming out. That is the sidewall of my nail. So I'm just going to go ahead and be careful I'm not over filing my sidewalls and just coming in from underneath and smoothing my sidewalls down. Just enough to get a nice shape. Again, I'm due for a refill, which would be coming soon, so stay tuned for that video. And just going ahead and cleaning this up and perfecting that shape. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new here to my channel. And I'll be having a video up soon for you guys with my refill, so stay tuned. This is what they look like. I hope you guys enjoy this. See you in my next video.